Now, I don't normally like getting up in the morning, but oh, Mr. Sun is shining down on me. So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. It's all good, move on. Throw your hands up, move on. It's all good, today is your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming forward. Can't nothing stop. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move.
It was really easy. This is my go-to now.
They're really natural.
It's easy.
It's just 1, 2, 3.
Pretty easy.
And it's just so much easier than extensions.
Because I want to have fun.
What do you guys think?
So much easier to do.
This is easy.
I can't feel it.
Really cute and easy.